Today's the day. We're gonna pull the motor out and do the IMS bearing. Okay, the first thing you're gonna always wanna do is disconnect the bag. Take out this air box, get this out of here. We're gonna get started today with a little drainage of fluids. We got oil and coolant. You're gonna remove this little screw here and it's going to empty out. Next step is remove these. These are the O2 sensors, 2 on this side, 2 on that. We evacuated the AC, so we're gonna just remove these lines here, 1, 2. Gotta get those out of the way. Over here we have a positive jump area here. So what you're gonna wanna do is remove this whole thing so that it is no longer connected to the side of the car. I feel like this pump is in the way also because you gotta get these motor mounts right here, which would be annoying. So I'm gonna pull this out. It's 1, 2, and okay, back here we have 2 plugs. These are gonna twist off and then pull out. You can't really see right in here. Then we have these 2 lines, which are power steering lines. We gotta disconnect those. It looks like we're gonna use a wrench for that. Up here we got this off and this off. You just gotta pull those apart. This is the bumper. Bumper's coming off next. Bunch of 10 millimeters to get this exhausted. Okay, look, we got the bumper off, and now we're taking off these. These are the things that the bumper doesn't. Oh, we need one more Torx right here. Oh yeah, that's good. See, if you use a Phillips head in your Torx, it doesn't work. We're dropping the rear suspension so that we can get the whole thing to come down. Possibly. Okay, so what we did here is we pulled off the brake. We pulled off this nut right here that holds the sway bar on. We're gonna take this whole subframe down. We were gonna take this off, but we decided not to. Okay, right up here, we're gonna remove this. Take a picture of clip.
Yeah, this one's different.
Okay, what we got here is we took down the slave cylinder, and now we're gonna get ready to drop it out. We must gather some wood to stack underneath the car. What we're doing is we're loosening all the 18 millimeters that are holding the engine.
18 millimeter heads.
Heads. So, so if you read the factory Porsche manual, they tell you to use this many pallets to drop the engine onto. That's the last bolt. We'll see if it drops. Watch your eyes. Okay,
These are on the motor?
Yeah.
So let's take them off the... Oh, we should take them off.
Not yet. Okay, we're lifting. Where? Okay, so I'm watching. Wires. Hold on a sec, hold on. I see, oh, I got a problem. Yeah. Okay, we're looking good. I hear noise. I hear shocks are trying to escape. Oh, so we weren't supposed to take that out? Okay, don't forget your fuel line. Hold on. It's looking good. I'm sure. Hold on. Yeah. You got it.
Sure?
Okay, don't forget the e-brake cable. Okay. And the car is missing its drivetrain.
A piece of garbage.
Next, you're going to want to use your forklift to pull it out. Look at that. Next, you're going to want to detach the transmission.
I need a swivel or something.
Next, we have separated. And we had one bolt that was no good over here. Something's up with it. Okay, you're gonna want to remove the pressure plate and the clutch, and then the flywheel. Ooh, looks like our rear main seal is leaking a little, so that's good. Then we got
that right there.
schmutz coming from up here.
No, but I'm looking at that.
The professional says there's something up here. We'll see. Okay, well, we have video. This is what it looks like inside here before we take it. Okay, we're getting ready to do the IMS bearing. We have to get this to top dead center. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this belt off. We have to remove the AC compressor. Okay, so we got it to top dead center, pulled out the tensioners, put on the thing on the front here. This is where you put it. Oh, you can't really see, but it's right
In
there.
not that order. In not that order.
Timing. This is how you put in the cam holder. To remove the rear main seal, you want to stick a little thingy in there and pull. That's right. So you're going to use this specialty wrench and screwdriver to remove the center. Then we're going to use a screwdriver to pry this up, 2 different ones on 2 different sides. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're putting this tool on.
Well, you didn't show them anything.
I know, but there's a thing that you screw onto here, and then it attaches to this tool. You can pull out. Okay, we've removed it, and it looks really nice in there. It was not bad. Not a bad one.
See, that tube goes all the way through. That's the intermediate shaft. The oil used to come through that, and it's supposed to get into this bearing.
It's the asshole of your Porsche 996.
Wipe this guy's tools back, and
Okay, so this is the tool you use to get it off.
that's an adapter.
And it attaches
This is the
to this.
bearing. Nice and smooth, perfect.
Yay.
Here's the original bearing. It's sealed, but it feels really perfect. But we have to be careful. And now the new one has a little bit of difference where the oil can enter into the roller. It's a different style bearing. These are ball bearings. This is a roller bearing. They're flat. I think they call it a radial bearing because not only does it holds them this way to this way.
Okay, so they give us this thing. We put it in there.
If you put the nut on there, you're not going to be able to get the nut on if the bearing starts to spin. Stupid.
Get in there.
Sure?
I don't know, but it's gonna be a pain to get out if you mess it up. Okay, don't forget to put in your snap ring.
I did the snap ring.
I'm saying for the people watching.
Well, we don't have to do it. We just put it in the bolts.
Okay, we missed this on the box, but it says leave O-ring on center stud, so we took it back apart. We gotta put the O-ring in there. Next, you're gonna remove this rear main seal if yours is leaking, or if it's not. Probably a good idea to do while you're in it. Ours was leaking. Okay, we removed this water pump. Looks like it was good, but now it'll be new. We completed a lot today. We did a water pump, AC compressor, a new starter. What else? Oh, we did new spark plugs, new coil packs. Oh, we did the IMS bearing, and we got stumped on the rear main seal. It went in crooked using the tool, and then we need a new one, and it's Sunday now, so we can't do it till Monday, which is no good because look at all the cars sitting here waiting to get work done. Always torque to the right specifications when reinstalling, and change those bolts. Once you take it to 19 foot-pounds, you're going to do a 120-degree twist afterwards. You're going to use the clutch tool to center the clutch onto the pressure plate. Here's what we got. We did 19 foot-pounds on these. This is centered.
They're supposed to be 17.
They're supposed to be 17. We upped it a little. And
High performance.
it's ready to go. The next part of this project is to realign that with this. Here we go. Pick that up, Scott.
This bolt goes here.
I'm sorry. We are going to get these together right now. It's that time. We're going to push that right into there. Okay, here we go. We got all this hooked back up. We need to put the air box in. All these are done. Looking good. We're gonna look underneath. We got one shock that we still gotta do.
Sorry, I want to eat.
You ready?
Yes.
You got it? Are you the video guy?
Sure.
Oh. Okay, it's ready to go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Huh? Now listen to that. You know how nice the starter sounded? How's the clutch operate?
Next, we use the air conditioning machine here to air condition. Looks like I could just... The car has not gone more than 80 miles in the last 8 years, and now we're going to drive to Florida.
Is that oil leaking underneath?
Our 1,600-mile trip to Florida is complete, and we made it without any issues.